'Twas the day before GM. Not an officer was tabling, not even a president.
Can someone fill out a slot for help at the writing center so I could take a paid break?
Lenny, we don't feel like tabling today. Do you think you can hold all the tabling stuff for us?
Hurry up, guys. Get into your positions. Okay, guys. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hi, guys. We're 16.
Is this on? Is this camera on? Oh, hey guys. My name is Kathleen. I'm the president of VSA, not Zach P's girlfriend.
Hey, we're rolling. Tommy, we're rolling. Yo, Tommy.
God, my back hurts so bad. Dude, last night was rough. I'm never playing King's Cup again.
Tommy, how many girls are you talking to tonight?
1,000!
Hey guys, my name's Dom. What you eating there?
Hey, we're rolling.
Oh, hi, I'm Adi.
Sorry, I'm late. I just finished my Mogi shift. Hey y'all, I'm Sandra.
Hi, I'm Lynn, the culture chair. Are you doing fan dance?
Hi, I'm Austin. I'm the graphics and dance chair.
Have you seen the new 17 song?
What?
Tina is late. We're rolling.
Hi, I'm Kenny. And yeah, something interesting about me is that I drive a Tesla. I don't know what you want me to say.
Sorry I'm late, guys. Wait, I'm not late. I'm on Tina time. So did you guys hear about the new Bluebell flavor?
You're on air, Lenny.
Oh, sorry. I'm Lenny. Can we cut this and do it another time? I need to finish this video by tomorrow.
Hey guys, I'm Ryan Nguyen. I'm the Texas VSA VPX.
Hi, I'm Kylie. What are my interns doing? On the bright side,
Are you gonna land us this weekend? Oh, hey.
What are your defining characteristics?
I'm Daniel. I'm a CP senior, but I'm actually 21. I've done some pretty crazy stuff in my life.
Hi, I'm Tay's Lore.
Excuse me? You don't have to talk so loud. We can hear you.
Fine. Hi, I'm Taylor Nguyen, and I'm an opera major. Did you know that it's one of the hardest majors at UT? I'm just like so busy all the time. Did you know that I can't start my career until I'm 35? Meow.
Hi, I'm Dylan.
How was the rave last weekend?
It was crazy. Do you want to see a video?
Hey Lenny, are you ready to start cooking for GM?
GM is today, and I'm still editing this video, and I'm tired of everyone coming late, and I'm tired of having to edit this last minute, and then Ryan's here and he wants me to help him cook. Yeah, sure.
Hey, what? Hey, come back! Hey, wait, that's mine. Hey, you! I can't believe I got my scooter stolen. I like that scooter. It meant a lot to me.
Ryan, I told you they were leaving with your scooter!
I'm getting angry. Like me when I'm angry.
What should we cook for the kids?
I don't know. Sushi bake?
That's what we did last week.
Nothing wrong with feeling the same thing again.
Dylan! We have to change it up. So, pizza rolls? Dylan and I have this habit of plotting, and once we start, we can't stop. But that's okay, because I already done all my homework.
Do you think the kids will go on a rave with me?
Dylan! We need to focus. I need to figure this out so I can go back to doing homework. Did you know that I'm taking 17 hours this semester?
Taylor has a habit of yelling when she talks. I think it's the speakers or something that made her deaf.
Gosh, Taylor, can you speak any louder? I heard you before.
So we just got back from after set, and I had Kang drive us all back, and we're trying to find my kid's ID. But I have a feeling she doesn't have it. So listen, Winnie's daughter. So we're gonna need your ID to get into your dorm. Do you have your ID?
Yeah, it's right here.
Somebody's gonna have to pat her down.
Well, it can't be me. I'm a dude.
Can't be me either.
Guys, I have a girlfriend. I can't do it either.
Tanae, have you started cooking for GM yet? How much do you need me to sell you? When are you coming over? See you.
Hey Kenny, Tina said she was gonna be late, but she said me. You want some donuts?
Oh, that's great. That means we don't have to cook. Let me get back to my Hearthstone. Guys, I just ranked up in Val. The new dog video just uploaded. Of course, I'm the first 100 views.
What? Hey man, what rank are you, man?
Hey, sweatshop workers, what are y'all doing just sitting here? They are so useless. All they do is dilly-dally, and I'm trying to get stuff done. I swear, if Kenny flirts with my boyfriend...
Sincerest apologies, Tanae. We'll get back to work. Please, don't take away my meals.
Get back to work.
Tommy, we gotta go. We were supposed to be at gym like 45 minutes ago.
No, it's okay. Dude, it's just, my joints hurt so bad.
Hey, do you need me to open the door for you?
No, I got it.
I think Tommy is so irresponsible, and I think his old age is really starting to show.
So, she told me so. I mean, I feel a little bad because I dropped the food on the floor, but low-key, I hope the kids aren't mad at me. Low-key though, 5-second rule. The food looked hella good.
So it's like freaking 3:30 a.m. and I'm trying to like put the flag and like GM stuff in Morgan's car, and this dingus is just standing in front of the car for no reason, not doing anything, and he's just there.
Hey man, I was just trying to talk to my kids. That wasn't my fault.
Hey Lynn, look at this new K-pop dance I know.
You won't believe what happened.
We're rolling. Lynn.
Hey Lynn, shouldn't we go to GM?
Hold on, I'm spilling the tea.
Come on.
You won't believe what happened yesterday. Okay, so you won't believe what happened. So like, you know, like that thing where yesterday where like they came in, like the whole group came in, and then I saw like Dom like look over, and it was crazy. Like there's like something like happened like over there, and then I couldn't really see.
Hey, can you come pick me up? I have all the food and I did all the work.
I can't, Kylie. My legs don't work. Just kidding. I'll be there in 5.
Daniel hasn't contributed that much into cooking for the kids. But it's okay, because we don't have that many. They're really active in other orgs, and they're always working and everything. Justin's literally working so much at Wingstop. But if they had more time, they'd be so much more active in VSA, trust me.
Hurry up, or else we're gonna be late to GM.
It's fine. I'll just find a parking spot at a handicap. It's all good. Oh, hey, I know her. Wait, what the fuck? When did he get back? Sorry. I used to use my grandma's handicap, but now that I'm crippled, I have one of my own. I wonder if that's karma.
Finally, my 15-hour Mogi shift is over. Hopefully, Ian's making some good progress in the spam recipe for our kids. I normally don't trust Ian to cook, but there's no way he can mess up cooking rice.
What's that smell? Ian? Where are you?
Oh, hey Sandra. I just finished cooking the rice. I'm gonna make the spam.
Let me see the rice.
How do you fuck up cooking rice?
Doesn't it look nice?
You're useless. I'll go make the food.
Why is she so upset? I always cook my rice like this.
How's the vegetables going?
Oh, they're going. Why can't we just give them chicken nuggets and pizza rolls? I don't see the issue with that.
How is that even possible? You just... By the way, follow my cooking Instagram at domnoms.
There's no way anyone donates to me, right? If I got 300, I'll actually shake my head. But no way that would happen.
What? Who just sent me $300? Bro. Cooked.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know.
Hey Ian, can you help me pass up some food?
Why is he so useless?
What'd y'all make for GM today?
Oh, we were rushing to GM, so we didn't make anything too crazy. You want some?
I thought you never asked.
Yo, Daniel, you have your paint touching this?
Thanks. Michael, are you acoustic? You know I don't eat meat. And I'm vegan. Extra black! Loki, I need down.
No one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke you broke. Your love life